How to fix Melon Playground lag. Now, experiencing lag in Melon Playground is pretty much a common issue, especially on mobile devices. This can result from various factors, including device limitations, game settings, or the number of 5 active elements in your scene. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you reduce lag and enhance your gaming experience. So the first option is to optimize in-game settings. Adjusting the game settings can significantly improve your performance. So you can go ahead and do this directly here in the settings options, of course. You can go to general, scroll down a bit, and just go ahead and get rid of the ones that you don't really want. And those can pretty much help you reduce the lag since it does remove a bit of quality. So if it's not circled, then it's pretty much off. You can also go ahead to the video. You can turn off 30 FPS mode if you want. You can go ahead and turn off the other quality features like gore, something like that, to pretty much reduce your lag parent mode for some reason. And another way to pretty much go ahead and fix lag is directly in your settings. So over here, just go ahead and search for apps. Then inside your apps over here, you can go ahead and search for Melon Playground. And over there, you can go ahead and clear your cache since you may have been playing the game for quite some time and a lot of files have piled up with each other. But anyways, other than that, it's pretty much just additional tips like use smaller maps, limit active entities, and regularly save progress, which can prevent data loss and reduce lag from complex scenes. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you in some way, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.